In this video, I will show you how to decrease by knitting 2 stitches together, commonly known as K2 tog. This is the most simple of decrease stitches, and you'd use it at the beginning or end of a row. If used at the start of a row, as shown, the decreased edge will slope to the left, but the stitch itself slopes to the right. For this sample, I'll be using 5mm knitting needles and an Aran weight yarn. Using your right hand needle, insert into the first 2 stitches on the left. Wrap your yarn round as you would to knit and slide off the left hand needle. So you can see the 2 stitches have now become 1. We insert our right hand needle, wrap around as if we were to knit and slide off. Right needle through the 2 stitches, wrap around and slide off. So you can see my 6 stitches have now become 3. In this video, I will show you how to decrease by knitting 2 stitches together through the back loop, commonly known as K2 tog TBL. This is a form of decreasing very similar to knitting 2 stitches together. If used at the start of the row as shown, the decreased edge slopes to the left and the stitch itself also slopes to the left. Put the tip of the right hand needle through the back of the first 2 stitches on the left hand needle. Take your yarn, wrap around your right hand needle, pull through and slide the 2 stitches off. Put your right hand needle through the back of the 2 stitches, wrap your yarn around, pull through and slide them off. Through the back of the 2 stitches, wrap the yarn around, pull through and slide off. Now you can see my 6 stitches have become 3.